Isa na yata to sa pinakasulit na buffet that we ever experienced. Ito ang Food Club Ayala Malls Manila Bay. Located lang to sa 4th floor ng IT Zone, this place is home to 17 food stations. Lahat freshly cooked at mabilis sila mag-replenish, kaya laging mainit at bago ang mga pagkain nyo. Literal, there are so many options. Kaya let's focus on the standouts. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala dahil hindi kayo mauubusan. Siyempre, mauuna ang seafood station nila. Hindi kami makapaniwala. Halos ka-level na nila ang mga seafood spread ng isang luxury hotel. Sumunod naman ang kanilang juicy at tender na roast beef. At siyempre, ang crispy at flavorful na lechon. Hindi to pwedeng palagpasin. For as low as 698 pesos, may enjoy mo na to. Super sulit, diba? May hotel-style ambience pa. At ito pa, if you're planning a big celebration, meron silang 2 VIP rooms. And both of their rooms can accommodate more than 100 guests. Perfect for birthdays, reunions, or company parties. At ito pa guys, madami din sila pa promo. Birthdays, graduations, 20+2, may kids, PWD at senior discount din. At alam nyo ba, you can avail their gift certificate for only 950 pesos but valued at 1,000 pesos? Parang ikaw pa yung binayaran. At ito pang isang good news, kung nasa South ka, hindi mo na kailangan lumayo dahil magbubukas sila ng bagong branch sa Festival Mall, Alabang. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng wide variety ng mga pagkain, one of the best quality in the industry, at talagang sulit na sulit for its value, subukan na din dito sa Food Club Ayala Malls Manila Bay.